Ayoko maging masyadong mayaman, sakit sa ulo 'yan. I've met one person who has really good talent and I told him, "You know what? Ang ganda nung mga ginagawa mong arts, upload mo 'yan sa Facebook, bebenta 'yan." At ano yung sinabi niya? "Ayoko maging masyadong mayaman, sakit sa ulo 'yan." So nagkakaroon tayo ng normalization na ang pagiging mahirap mas madali at mas komportable siya versus kung mag-a-aspire ka maging mayaman or mas nakakaginha-ginhawa. And that's what's always been being highlighted in our media. Masyado natin nino-normalize ang kahirapan or masyado nating tinatanggap na lang na it's part of life, that it's normal, it's fate, it's part of our day-to-day life, and it's part of our identity as Filipinos na kapag mahirap ka, bida ka, at ikaw yung pinapalakpakan. So, what's the solution? We need to stop romanticizing poverty.